can't play Valorant because of the DirectX 11 error? Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how can you fix the DX11 Features Level 10.0 is required to run the engine error in Valorant. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. Step 1. First of all, type services in the search bar and click to open it. Now scroll down and find the VGC service. Then right click on it and select Properties. Now set the startup type to automatic. Then click on Apply, then OK. Lastly, right-click on VGC again and select Start. Wait until it's done and then close the window. Now search for Run and open it. Then type msconfig in the Run menu and press Enter. Now go to the Services tab and tick the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. Now at the bottom of the window, you'll find VGC. Now tick the box next to it and hit Apply. Now click on OK to close and reset your computer. Now move on to the next step. Step 2. Now open this link in your favorite browser. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the video description below. From this page, select your language and click on Download. Now open the downloaded file and click on Yes to give permission. Now click on I accept the agreement and then the Next button. Uncheck Install the Bing bar and click on Next again. If there is a download for DirectX available for your Windows 11 computer, it will be shown here now. Just hit Next and it will start downloading and installing DirectX on your computer. Wait until the process wraps up and when it's done, hit the Finish button. Now Valorant should start up properly. And guys, this is how you fix DX11 Features Level 10.0 is required to run the engine error in Valorant. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you got any question, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.